How to transfer money to Trading 212. Trading 212 is a commission-free investing app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares, with tools like Auto Invest to automate your investments. It also offers CFD trading for advanced users. First, go to Trading 212 website and log into your account. On homepage, when you're on this main watchlist page near the top right-hand side, you've got the Deposit Funds button. You're going to click it. It's then going to give you different methods in which you can deposit your money. You've got an instant bank transfer. You've got a bank transfer. You can do a credit or a debit card. You can do Google Pay, or you can do Skrill. Or, example, looking at the instant bank transfer, it's totally free for you to transfer your money onto here. You're going to simply select how much you want to deposit. Click Next. That's it. Thanks for watching.